NIO is a China-based electric vehicle manufacturer, primarily producing premium electric vehicles. Founded in 2014 by William Li, NIO is also called the Tesla of China. NIO's product range includes fully electric SUVs and sedans. It includes various vehicle models, such as, here are some important vehicle models and features of NIO. NIO ES8. This SUV, which is NIO's first production model, has a 7-seat structure and offers a range of up to 580 kilometers. NIO ES6. A more compact ES6. An SUV has 5 seats and offers a range of up to 610 kilometers. NIO EC6, a coupe-style SUV, the EC6 has a sporty appearance and provides a range of up to 615 kilometers. NIO ET7, NIO's first sedan model, ET7. It is a luxury sedan and has a battery that offers a range of up to 1,000 kilometers and is equipped with advanced autonomous driving capabilities. One of the notable features of NIO is the facilities called NIO House, which offer private areas where users can charge their vehicles and socialize. Additionally, NIO also has a battery-as-a-service (BaaS) model, which allows users to replace batteries and take advantage of battery rental options. NIO has had great success in the Chinese market and has plans to expand into the global market. The company's financial performance, stock price and sales figures are closely followed by investors and the automotive industry. NIO is traded on the Nasdaq exchange under the symbol NIO and has experienced significant growth in recent years. The company has significantly increased its sales and revenues, especially as demand for electric vehicles increases in China. At the same time, NIO has started to expand into the European market and has started to operate in countries such as Germany and Norway. It aims to expand to 25 different countries around the world by 2025. While the company continues to develop new models and technologies, it also plans to increase its production capacity. It also aims to contribute to sustainable mobility by offering innovative solutions in energy and battery technologies.